Hey everyone, how's your day been today? I was working with someone today about past life stuff and sabotages and curses and entrapments and karmic and genetic connections. And one of the things that I always think is, if this is the divine plan for us to learn and come through with higher vibration each life, because our soul needs to learn things and we come through, we learn some lessons, we come through, we learn some lessons, we come through, and we raise our vibration each time on this planet. If this is the divine plan, then it's a bit of a sign that it's all meant to be. We're supposed to look at the good in it. Otherwise, why would it be the divine plan? And I think when many people go to psychics or healers, or when they're starting to visualize and feel their past lives, and all they see is that, like they were a witch, or they were an army soldier and killed people, or they were an emperor and had lots of people killed, or they were, who knows. But it may be that there's been all sorts of things in past lives where our best version of ourselves was someone who was in control and killed people. It may have been all sorts of stuff, but it doesn't mean that there wasn't positivity in that life. And this is what I was sort of thinking, that we really should reframe our ideas around past lives, because if we only look at the negative, because it's sometimes in this life it's the negative that comes through into this life, and that's why it's showing up in a balance. But there's often other things like loyalty and friendships and relationships and the ability to stand your ground in positions of stress or trauma or tragedy, or being someone who can be amazing in that level of authority, whereas other people can't. So anyway, that was my sort of thought, and I thought I would do a quick little balance around releasing any and old curses and entrapments and sabotages and that sort of thing. So just a little quick one for us, and then I'm going to go have dinner, but I thought it was something worth sharing. And given my week this week, I've had a few people needing this sort of stuff, so I thought it might be helpful to some of us. Okay, so part 2 coming up.